is. So heavy. It's like sometimes it's so hard to start. Why? I feel so heavy sometimes, and sometimes it's hard to start these videos sometimes. Oh yeah. Freaking jaw keeps sticking. I hate it when that happens, but it just does. It just locks. Pops. It's hard to do anything. um, I had a few topics. I wanted to put in this video, and I wanted to make one of those videos where I don't have to edit anything because, oh my god, I have things that I need to edit. This is not going to be edited. It's either going to go up as it is, or it's not going to go up at all. I'm struggling with things with energy and I guess trying to not be experiencing stress. I was gonna say something like first of all, it frustrates me that I can't find the source of these inhibitions. But to get back to it, what I was gonna say was like something. I mean, I'm so inhibited with. I'm trying to fighting myself here, obviously. So what I was gonna say was like something along the lines of I mean, it sounds so. I don't know why things feel problematic or wrong or like petty or childish or like I'm whining or just it's so cliche. Like, who hasn't the I'm talking about something I haven't even said yet because it's all in the head, all in my head. And what I'm thinking is I don't want to die. That's the thought. And it's cliche, and people, oh god, all the implications you could draw and overanalyze and just, yeah, would they call that fear of public opinion? And so it's like it inhibits free communication and expression, and so it's like I feel stress, I feel fatigue and exhaustion and low energy. I've been fighting low energy for so long. I've been fighting low energy and fighting with stress and fear and pain and I, yeah, obviously I don't want to die. I was gonna say something like I for those of you who may be experiencing like it's this fucked up thought that when the conditions of your existence, when the conditions of someone's life reaches a certain point, this thought of, oh, I just want to die. But it's no, no, I don't want to die. I want to change the conditions of my life. I don't want to die. I want to be alive. No matter what, even if it means hell. I don't care. I'm not, like I said in other videos, which, just like this one, are not going to be watched. I said I'm not going to kill myself or other people and all that bullshit disclaimer shit. that they'll just delete off the internet or misconstrue or whatever. Fuck it. There is no they. Nobody gives a shit about me. Nobody even gives a shit to delete my shit because it just doesn't exist. There's no audience. They don't need to delete it. All they need to do is just not recommend it. It's really easy not to recommend things. I mean, it's just not fit for the algorithm because nobody, this is garbage video content. Is it? Here I'm already casting judgment. It's so fucking just woo. Anyway, and I wanted to put a story in here, a story about doctors. And this, of course, like every other story, is just a parable. It's just hearsay. But I'll tell you the story. A couple, relatively newlywed, man and wife, husband and wife, man and woman. They loved each other, and they were gonna have a baby, and the wife was pregnant, and the husband and wife, it's time to have the baby, and they do what everybody has been programmed, like for no goddamn reason. Or maybe there is a reason. I don't know. I'm suspect of this type of behavioral patterning that people, they go to the fucking hospital to have the baby because that's what everybody else does. They go to the hospital to have the baby. And they love each other, and they're so happy together, and they're so excited about having the baby, and it's, you could only imagine the first time mother having a child, and the mother and father, soon to be mother and father, are there in the hospital, and she's about to go into labor. She's just going to labor, and it's, scary, unknown territory for these two people, these two humans, just like you or me or anybody else. And so they're in the hospital, and the woman is having the child, and the doctor busts in the door. It's like, oh no, we have to have an emergency C-section. Otherwise the baby's gonna die and the mother's gonna die. We have to do this now. Emergency C-section. Who's gonna protest that? Is the mother, who's literally in the middle of having a child, gonna say, show me the evidence of why I need to have a C-section? Or maybe the father, who, soon to be father, soon to be mother, right? Who's probably has very limited, if no medical training at all, show me the evidence of why we need an emergency C-section right now. No, of course, they take the doctor's word for it because he's wearing a white lab coat, and we just take the doctor's word for it. And some of you already know how this is going to end, but I'll go ahead and finish the story. So they go ahead and perform the emergency C-section. The baby is healthy, the mother survives, but with complications. See, now this woman can no longer have any more children because not every C-section just works out fine. That a woman doesn't always heal up from the C-section, and so lo and behold, the woman is now infertile, and this couple only gets one child between the two of them, unless they use like a foster mother or something. But get this, it was all for money. So they could bill the insurance company more money. They made a woman infertile because they wanted more money. And you ask me why I don't trust doctors.